Let me ask you something personal but important. Do you ever wake up feeling more tired than when you went to bed? Your joints ache, your muscles feel weak, and your energy long gone by 10 a.m. You may blame age, and yes, the body changes. But what if I told you that your dinner plate is partly to blame, or your lack of one? That's right. What you eat at night, not just breakfast or lunch, plays a crucial role in how well your body heals, digests, and rests. And for seniors, this can be the difference between bouncing out of bed or dragging yourself through the day. The good news? There are simple, natural foods, most of them sweet, warm, and comforting, that help your body rebuild muscles, protect your brain, lower nighttime blood sugar spikes, and even stop you from waking up to pee. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more senior-focused health and wellness tips, and don't forget to drop a comment below. What are your favorite dinner meals, and how do they make you feel after eating them? Your experience can help someone else. Now, here are 7 powerful night foods that every senior over 60 should eat daily. These aren't just bedtime snacks. They're your body's secret weapon for better sleep, strength, and longevity. Number 1, salmon, the brain and heart's favorite dinner. Salmon isn't just tasty, it's therapeutic. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and protein, salmon supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and fuels your brain. Why it matters for seniors. Omega-3s in salmon help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. It promotes deep sleep by helping your body produce melatonin naturally. Its anti-inflammatory properties ease joint pain and stiffness. Best way to eat it: grill or bake a salmon fillet with herbs like dill and lemon. Pair it with steamed veggies for a low-carb, high-nutrient dinner. Bonus tip: wild-caught salmon has more omega-3s than farmed versions. Number 2, sweet potatoes, gentle on blood sugar, rich in nutrients. Don't let the name fool you. Sweet potatoes are a diabetic-friendly carbohydrate that actually helps regulate blood sugar levels due to their high fiber and slow-digesting carbs. Why it matters for seniors. High in potassium, they help control blood pressure. They provide beta-carotene, which supports eye health and immune function. Their slow-digesting nature helps you feel full longer, curbing late-night snacking. Best way to eat it: roast them with olive oil and cinnamon, or mash them with a little garlic for a savory twist. Number 3, Greek yogurt, the silent muscle protector. Protein becomes even more crucial as you age, especially before bed. Greek yogurt is loaded with casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles throughout the night. Why it matters for seniors. Preserves muscle mass, which helps prevent falls and frailty. A great source of calcium for bone strength. Contains probiotics that aid digestion and reduce nighttime bloating. Best way to eat it: choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. Add a handful of blueberries or a sprinkle of cinnamon to avoid added sugars. Number 4, leafy greens, the night detox for your body. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard might not sound like exciting dinner options, but their benefits are undeniable. They're packed with antioxidants, fiber, and magnesium. Why it matters for seniors. High in magnesium, which helps relax muscles and calm the nervous system. Perfect for sleep. Detoxes the liver and kidneys overnight. Rich in vitamin K, which strengthens bones and supports brain health. Best way to eat it: sauté greens in olive oil with garlic. You can also add them to a warm soup or serve as a side salad with salmon or chicken. Number 5, chickpeas, a tiny food with big rewards. Chickpeas, garbanzo beans, are loaded with fiber, protein, iron, and magnesium. They keep blood sugar stable and aid in melatonin production. Why it matters for seniors. Boosts serotonin levels, improving sleep quality and mood. Supports digestive health, preventing constipation. Iron-rich, which is essential for oxygen flow and energy levels. Best way to eat it: add chickpeas to a warm stew, curry, or toss them in olive oil and spices for roasting. You can even mash them into hummus and use as a dip or spread. Number 6, tart cherries, the natural sleep aid. You might not think of fruit as dinner food, but tart cherries can be a sweet ending to your evening meal. Why? Because they're one of the few natural sources of melatonin. Why it matters for seniors: enhances sleep quality and duration, fights inflammation, especially in joints and muscles, loaded with antioxidants to fight aging and cellular damage. Best way to eat it: drink a small glass of unsweetened tart cherry juice, or add frozen tart cherries to Greek yogurt or oatmeal as a healthy dessert. Number 7, oats. Not just for breakfast anymore. Yes, you read that right. Oats can be a fantastic evening meal. They're rich in complex carbs that trigger insulin production, which helps tryptophan enter the brain and convert to melatonin. Why it matters for seniors: encourages restful, uninterrupted sleep. Contains soluble fiber that helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL. Supports digestive health and reduces nighttime hunger pangs. Best way to eat it: prepare a small bowl of steel-cut or old-fashioned oats with almond milk. Add cinnamon, flaxseed, or chopped nuts for extra health points. Why dinner matters more than you think after 60. As we get older, our nutritional needs, lifestyle habits, and health goals naturally evolve. One key area that often goes overlooked is dinner. While breakfast is often touted as the most important meal of the day, dinner can actually play a more crucial role for those over 60, not just for nutrition, but for digestion, sleep, and emotional well-being. Here's why dinner matters more than you think after 60, and how it can support a healthier, happier life. 1. Nourishment to finish the day strong. After 60, your body needs fewer calories but more nutrients. Dinner is the final opportunity of the day to fill in any nutritional gaps, especially for protein, fiber, calcium, and essential vitamins like B12 and D. Many seniors unknowingly skip or skimp on dinner, which can lead to undernourishment. A well-balanced evening meal can help maintain muscle mass, stabilize blood sugar, and give your body the tools it needs to repair and recover overnight. Number 2. Supports better sleep and digestion. A light, well-timed dinner can support healthy sleep and smooth digestion. After 60, the digestive system may slow down, and heavy or late-night meals can cause discomfort, heartburn, or poor sleep. Choosing easy-to-digest foods like steamed vegetables, soups, soft proteins, and whole grains, and eating at least 2-3 hours before bedtime can help reduce bloating and improve sleep quality. Including magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens or bananas may also promote better rest. 3. A boost for emotional and social well-being. Dinner isn't just about the food. It's a time for connection and comfort. For many seniors, loneliness becomes a quiet struggle. Sharing a meal, whether with family, friends, or virtually, can lift your mood and give you something to look forward to each day. Even when eating alone, creating a peaceful setting the table, playing soft music, or lighting a candle can make the experience feel more meaningful and enjoyable. 4. Keeps blood sugar and energy balanced. Skipping dinner or having a meal too high in sugar or refined carbs can cause blood sugar spikes or dips, which may lead to fatigue, headaches, or even nighttime hunger. This is especially important for those managing diabetes or prediabetes, common conditions after 60. Opting for a dinner that includes protein, like fish, beans, or eggs, fiber-rich vegetables, and healthy fats can keep blood sugar steady and energy levels balanced throughout the evening and into the next morning. Here are 7 simple senior-friendly dinner tips to help make evenings healthier and more enjoyable. 1. Focus on nutrient-dense ingredients. For older adults, every bite counts. As appetite can naturally decrease with age, it's essential that meals deliver maximum nutrients with fewer calories. Nutrient-dense foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein, but are not high in empty calories, sodium, or added sugar. Great senior-friendly options include leafy greens like spinach and kale. Lean proteins such as fish, chicken, tofu, or beans. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or oats. Colorful vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and squash. Fruits like berries, bananas, and apples. When planning dinner, aim for a balanced plate that includes protein, fiber-rich carbs, and healthy fats. This promotes satiety, supports digestion, and helps maintain energy levels. Number 2, keep it soft and easy to chew. Many seniors experience dental issues or reduced jaw strength, making certain foods hard to chew or swallow. Avoiding tough meats or raw fibrous vegetables can make meals more enjoyable and safer to eat. Helpful tips: slow cook meats until tender. Think shredded chicken or stewed beef. Steam or roast vegetables to soften them. Add sauces or gravies to keep meals moist and easy to swallow. Try soups, stews, or casseroles that are naturally soft and flavorful. Soft doesn't mean bland. Use herbs, gentle spices, and natural seasonings to bring the dish to life. 3. Make it easy to prepare. Dinner should not be an exhausting or time-consuming chore, especially for older adults who may deal with fatigue or limited mobility. Fortunately, there are many ways to make dinner simpler without sacrificing taste or nutrition. Smart strategies include pre-chop vegetables or buy them frozen or pre-washed. Use a slow cooker or instant pot for set-it-and-forget-it meals. Batch cook and freeze portions for later. Choose one-pan or sheet pan recipes to reduce cleanup. Keep ingredients and kitchen tools within easy reach. Simple can still be satisfying. A warm bowl of soup and a slice of whole grain toast can make for a nutritious, comforting dinner. 4. Watch the sodium and sugar. With age, the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes increases, making it even more important to control added salt and sugar. Many processed and packaged foods contain high amounts of both, so it's best to cook at home when possible. Tips to reduce sodium and sugar. Use fresh herbs, garlic, lemon, and spices instead of salt. Choose low-sodium broths, canned goods, and sauces. Avoid sugary sauces or glazes. Try natural sweeteners like fruit or honey in moderation. Read nutrition labels carefully. You might be surprised how much salt or sugar is hidden. Remember, seniors may also experience changes in taste or smell, so seasoning with fresh herbs or a splash of vinegar can wake up the palate without extra salt. 5. Hydration matters at dinner. Too many seniors don't drink enough water, especially if they're not feeling thirsty. But staying hydrated is essential for digestion, kidney health, energy levels, and even preventing constipation. Hydration tips for dinner time. Serve a glass of water, herbal tea, or diluted juice with dinner. Add hydrating foods like cucumbers, melons, or soups. Avoid excessive caffeine or alcohol, which can be dehydrating. Use flavor enhancers like a slice of lemon or cucumber in water. Even sipping warm water before or after dinner can aid digestion and support overall well-being. 6. Incorporate high-quality protein. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass, immune function, and healing. Yet many seniors don't get enough protein, especially at dinner. The key is to include protein in every meal, and dinner is a great opportunity. Senior-friendly protein sources. Soft fish like salmon or cod, cooked beans and lentils, scrambled eggs or omelets, tofu or tempeh, cottage cheese or Greek yogurt if tolerated, chicken or turkey, shredded or ground. Balance is key. Combine proteins with vegetables and whole grains to keep the meal complete and satisfying. 7. Make it enjoyable and social. Dinner isn't just about nutrition, it's also about connection and enjoyment. Loneliness is a serious issue among many seniors, and sharing a meal with others can bring joy, conversation, and even stimulate appetite. Ways to make dinner more enjoyable. Invite a friend or neighbor over for dinner once a week. Video call a loved one while eating. Set the table with nice dishes, napkins, or soft music. Join a local community or senior center for group meals. Involve a caregiver or family member in cooking together. Even a simple dinner feels more special when enjoyed in good company or with a warm atmosphere. And when you look forward to meals, you're more likely to eat well. Dinner doesn't need to be fancy or complicated to be nourishing. For seniors, the key is to keep things simple, balanced, and joyful. By choosing the right ingredients, preparing meals in a thoughtful way, and creating a comforting atmosphere, you can make dinner time one of the healthiest and happiest parts of the day. Whether it's a hearty bowl of vegetable soup, a soft-baked fish fillet with sweet potatoes, or a plate of scrambled eggs with spinach, every meal is a chance to nourish both body and spirit. Make every dinner count, for health, for comfort, and for the pleasure of good food. A healthier tomorrow starts with tonight. After age 60, every bite counts, especially at night. The foods you eat for dinner should work with your body, not against it. By choosing nutrient-dense, senior-friendly foods like salmon, Greek yogurt, sweet potatoes, and oats, you're not just feeding your hunger, you're fueling your health, repairing your body, and protecting your future. So tonight, instead of reaching for that microwave pizza or sugary dessert, try preparing one of these 7 night foods. Not only will you sleep better, you'll wake up feeling stronger, more energized, and ready to enjoy life to the fullest. If you learned something new today, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another senior-friendly health tip. And don't forget to comment below. Which one of these foods are your favorite, and have they ever made you feel good after eating it? Your experience can help someone else. Thank you for joining me. Take care, and remember to take each bite with kindness. See you in the next video.